Greetings. We all know the carbon deposits from engines have measurable effects on performance, emissions, and fuel economy. They are undesirable, yet over time become unavoidable, especially in older cars where carbon buildup can lead to seized valves, the misfiring of spark plugs, exhaust sensory failure, and other pertinent issues. Some of the initial symptoms include lack of power and low mileage from the car. In more severe cases, there may also be black soot deposits spilling from the exhaust. The best way to actively restore an engine's functionality is to perform regular, professional fuel system cleaning and engine decarbonizing services. The OceanMeg carbon cleaning machine applies Oxy-Hydrogen technology that is 100% environmentally friendly, while concurrently harmless to the engine. Meanwhile, the application of sole negative pressure technology makes our machine more convenient to use and more sensitive to failures. Thanks to years of development in implementing the latest in technological advancements, we can improve fuel efficiency by up to 20% and restore your vehicle to its peak performance in just 30 minutes. Our state-of-the-art machine can benefit vehicles of all shapes and sizes. Suitable for any petrol or diesel engine, our service can benefit vehicles in a variety of ways, from increased power and engine responsiveness through to lower emissions and potential fuel savings. Alright, let's go and find out more about our machines. As you can see, our machine only needs one hose connected to the manifold. That initiates our negative pressure technology, which makes our machine more convenient, more technologically efficient, and a safer service for your car.